Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your name in your Facebook application. So, once you have opened your Facebook application, simply click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, you can see this settings gear icon at the top corner. Simply click on this gear icon and it will lead you to the settings and privacy page. Now here under the Meta account center, you need to click on this personal details option right here. Once you have clicked here, your Meta account center will open. And from here, you may click on this profiles button right here at the top. Once you have clicked here, you can see your Facebook profile. Simply click on your Facebook profile and you will see the option name at the topmost. Simply click on this name option and now you can change your first name, middle name or surname. So for example, if I want to change my first name, so let's try to do this, and then my surname, I can simply type my first name and my surname. If I want to have a middle name, I can type in that as well. Then once you have done that, you can also manage other names, but the main thing is this only. Then once you have done the changes, you must simply click on this review changes button at the bottom. Then give it a little time and here you can see that it will give you a name preview, whether you want your first name to be the first name or you want your second name to be the first name. Then you may choose any suitable option from both of these and then you can click on the save change button. Once you have clicked on the save changes button, you can see that your Facebook name has been updated. To verify, let's go back and see if it has been updated or not. Just simply try to refresh your page and here you can see that the new name is now appearing as it should. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.